Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android version, storage, and an internet connection. Open Play Store and install step-bythy, then grant permissions for sensor access and device info. Once installed, tap to launch the app and let it initialize. This first pass populates hardware identifiers and basic sensor readings. Make sure to close heavy apps first so initial CPU and temperature values reflect idle state. This step gets you accurate baseline data and prepares the app for deeper inspection. Once done with setup, navigate CPU-Z tabs. SoC shows CPU model, cores, and real-time frequency. You should interpret clock speeds versus advertised peaks. Spikes are normal under load. Move to Device and System tabs to confirm model numbers, RAM, and storage types because they explain performance limits. Check battery and thermal for voltage and temperature trends that affect throttling. Make sure to tap refresh if values seem stale, and understand that fluctuations reflect workload and power profiles. To finish, capture screenshots or export readings so you can compare idle versus stress conditions later. This helps you spot thermal throttling and battery sag. Run a known benchmark or a heavy app while monitoring frequencies and temps to see real-world behavior. If readings are inconsistent or missing, first confirm permissions, then restart the phone and relaunch step-bythy. If problems persist, reinstall the app or clear its cache. This resolves most sensor access issues and restores accurate reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.